Kia ora. How long is your to-do list and where do you keep it? Do you rely on your memory, a diary, or have you made the transition to digital productivity and project management tools? Business owners who make use of this category of online tools reap the benefits almost immediately. Every one of them should at least be aware of the time-saving and output-raising support available to them. Trello and Monday.com are two productivity tools that fall into the project management category. Trello is a free digital Kanban board that lets you easily keep track of tasks across lists as they progress from to do to done, as well as assign these tasks to certain people. Monday.com is a paid, more extensive version of Trello that lets you visualize your workflow in different formats and automate processes to save your team time. Then there's Hootsuite, which brings your social media operations together and lets businesses post across platforms from one place. Grammarly is a spell-checking tool that goes one step further, analysing not only the words you use, but the tone in which they could be interpreted by the recipient. And then there's Bitly, a tool that lets you shorten and track click-throughs of URLs. There are a bunch of productivity tools out there designed to help you get more work done in less time. Keep watching to learn more.